Hello. Guys, I'm back at the corner today. Sleeve North Sea pattern, you guys. At the bottom I found this. A genius. Chain scissors head. Pull a spacer behind. It's a tractor truck. It's this truck that this guy seems to be pretty heavy. So it's this bend. You've got to get a truck to pull you up. I'm going to stand here with you and watch this scissors head over this death bend, you guys. Now the engineers are doing the job. Connect in cable. Put it in the tractor. Let's pull through this bend, guys. This one is pretty heavy, guys. It's too heavy, guys. Too long, too heavy. Behind the ass. It's already hit the road, guys. Stop your ass down the road. That is, this car has escaped through this segment. So now you're going to go to a section above. Let's take this car. 1 a scooping machine, 2 scooping machines, and 1A. This car is a lift truck and the back is the lift truck, guys. It's too long. This scissor is ready. The trailer is going down too. Give way to. Super trucking, guys. Come up here, guys. Tick-tock. My friends, to heaven always. Then so is. The tractor has passed the second leg, guys. Continue on up. 2 more arm bends like this. The driver is climbing a hill. It's also quite long. That's 8% of you. That. A pull head A at the top support. This lady. Back here. Then I will go to the top and review. Hey guys, to the end of this 8% slope. This is exactly what the car law says. Leave the car down here, guys. There is one in this section. This stream is very beautiful, my friends. I will be here to review so this super truck is going through this bend. Two cars are pulling up. Up here, guys. Engine noise. The engine noise is quite loud. There's a lot less traffic in the back. The tail gives way. These tractors are going ahead. Now I'm back in my position. This piece is straight and beautiful. I'm always on the right, guys. The driver is signaling the cars in the opposite direction. Stop to make sure. This truck is safe to go through. This is a turn, guys. You two motorbikes, clean it up. Then continue to way above you. What a pedestal it shelved. The driver said, "The scissors head is machine error something, black box software error something, so is. The power is not enough, so we have to ask for support. Top pull head." There now. At the end of this section, we will continue up to the crab on. That's the curve that's worth your attention. I also have to get ahead of myself. It's constantly turning up here. I can't avoid you guys. It's too heavy. This part of the road is narrow and the curve is faster. The car is moving a little bit up here. Come on. You see the hips. It's too fast, guys. The car's ass plowed down this road. Road wear. Too heavy. I have to carry this in the car. That's about 70 tons, guys. So that's the sida. This part of the story ends the lines. Cuff your sleeves. Now continue up to the top of the pass. Then the driver will just go down the pass. And there's another one up there that's a twist. Make way for the driver. Super trucking ahead of you. Up above you guys. The support tractor is here now, guys. End of support on the other side of the pass. You guys built this car so cleverly that you had to put it away for a long time. It's wide open. It's entangled. Move it up. This car is long. See that? Turn all the way to this lane. Get in the car to get in. It's stuck in the back. I rub. You are too talented. Then so is. The drawbridge has ended its dangerous turn. Hello, brothers and sisters. There's another one coming up here. You two avoid each other here. You're lighter down here. The end of this section is almost down to the foot. Pass it, guys. Below A. At the foot of this pass, there is also a bend of the sleeve. More friends, but at the foot of the pass, it's relatively flatter. Now I'm going down to the bottom. Then the review. Let's show you. Get ready to go down this road, guys. This part of the road. Crab, but that it has no slope. It's just turning around, guys. The road is also narrow. I will be here to review at this location for you to see. And maybe the cars that are below go up without a. If we can pay attention to each other, we will too. Signal for the driver. The captain just signaled a trumpet. For the car behind to go down front. That. There's no tank truck in the frame today. Now go back up. The driver extends the crab to make it safer. That's down there. There's a tank truck coming up here. Then continue down the curve. At the foot of the C lane, you guys. At the end of this master. It's 100% safe. It's all down, guys. That's a very turning point. And the round is also sharp. If it is not steep, and it. But it's like the ones on the pass. The car is slowly getting ready to hug you. Maybe I'll also review this post. Please allow me to stop the video. Here you are. If you watch the video, remember to leave a like, a share and subscribe button to your support channel. The car is too heavy, so goodbye. A sharp tractor with the number 88 and the number plate of the province forever, friends. That's the end of this cycle here. And it's the last bend at the foot of the pass. This one's on the road again. It's safe. This car will down to the foot of the sea and to return it, and then to